We are at Calvary Baptist Church in Burbank. They have reported a really bad water leak. So what I was thinking is use the bandsaw, cut on either side of that clamp, and then install this, but that's not going to work because the pipe will be too far apart. So I'm going to have to remove that. There you go. Got it off. There's the leak. So now I want to cut really close to this hole right here, which will give this that repair coupling a more pipe to cover so it doesn't blow off or leak.
I can bury it?
Yeah.
Just in case.
There it is.
I don't want to dig it up again.
Looks like it's holding to me.
Yeah.